Our garden swing is really large, so how do we ship it worldwide? Let us show you the standard packaging for the biggest model, Titan Lux. There are 3 packages. 2 are about 2 meters long and 80 centimeters wide. And the third is longer, around 230 centimeters, for the main frame beams. Let's take a look inside. And what is inside, as you can see, all metal parts are carefully protected to prevent scratches and damage during transport.